Alright y'all, so welcome back to my channel. I know this video is like way overdue, but better late than never, right? This is Microlocs Retie at 8 weeks. This is what her hair looks like. As y'all can see, the parts are still there. You can tell where her hair was started, but yeah, she definitely needs a retie, and it's definitely time. So I'm gonna just show y'all how I retie her hair. So of course, first things first, you definitely have to wash the hair. I washed the right hair, I want to say 3 times altogether. The first time was, just a little bit of shampoo, just to start lifting everything, all of the dirt and everything that was in her hair. The second time to actually cleanse it. The third time to go back to make sure that I did get all of the dirt out. And then I did condition it. While I'm recording this video, I think I'm gonna just tell y'all a little bit about the process and some of the things that I've learned as we go. First things first, I want to say, I don't know if it's because we have naturally thin hair or what, but I've seen some people say that they just like spray, like with a water bottle and conditioner. They just, moisturize their hair every day. They just spray it. But when I do that to me and Araya hair, I noticed that like our edges, they start to unravel, like they start to become loose. And I don't know if it's because we have naturally thin edges, but it doesn't happen quite in the middle, but it's really around the edges. So the edges so far is like what's taking the longest to even like begin to lock, because like I said, they always come loose. So I don't know, I guess if you have thin edges, try to leave the water at minimum. So what I'm going to start doing is only washing our hair, well, only wetting, even just applying water, only 6 to 8 weeks with the retie. Before then, I just won't, not until the hair begins to lock. So right now, she just has conditioner in her hair. You can see her curl pattern. You can also see where I'm talking about her thin edges, where it's like not locking, versus right here in the top of her head where the hair is beginning to lock. So yeah, we just gonna trust the process, y'all. But this is, like I said, her hair with just the conditioner sitting in there. Look at her curls. And yeah, we're just gonna trust the process. So right now, I'm just going through and I'm gonna part her hair. And I'm going to retie her hair using the same grid pattern that I used when I installed her Microlocs. That's just going to help the retie installation be so much easier. So I'm going to pull y'all back up after I can't remember exactly how many sections it was, but I'm going to pull y'all back up after I get the sections in. Alright, so boom. I have the hair section off now. I'm going to use some of this locking wax. And I'm just going to apply it section by section. I don't go through and apply it. I literally just apply it section by section. Instead of row by row, this time I'm just apply it section by section. So like I was telling y'all, the edges, like the back, the sides, and the top of me and Araya hair, I guess because it's so thin, they keep coming loose. They keep unraveling. So when I go through this time for the retie, I think I'm gonna like combine some and maybe make them a little thicker. So yeah, just watch the process, y'all, and trust it. So I'm gonna start in the back at the very bottom row, of course. I'm not sure the exact name of this hook, but I did get it off of Amazon, so I will leave the link below. If you go to Amazon and you just type in Microloc hook needle, it'll pop up. It's a couple of them that pop up. I didn't know the exact one to get, but I got one just so that I could see how it works, and if I need to go back and get another one, I will. As y'all can see, the back of her hair, since it's so short, her hair keeps slipping out. But I just keep putting it back in, and we're going to get this thing locked. Alright, so boom, as y'all can see, we did get that to lock. That did take a while, but only because that part is short, but the rest of the head will not take as long because the hair is longer. But I did want to show y'all that process so that you wouldn't get discouraged if you did have some pieces of your hair that were shorter than others and it took some time to complete. So I am using a 4-point rotation. I'm zooming in so that y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. So as y'all can see, I'm going to go up right here, then I'm going to go to the right, then I'm going to go down, then I'm going to go to the left, then I'm going to go back up again, and you just keep doing the same thing over and over until the hair basically locks in place and you can't pull a needle through anymore. But you don't want to make it too tight, but you don't want it too loose either. So boom, this is where we finish. So we're making progress. This is what's completed so far. Her grid is looking good. Not a hair out of place. And yeah, like I said, we're just gonna trust the process, so keep watching. So I'm gonna apply this curl cream after each section. This is what's gonna keep her ends curled. So this is what her ends look like. Well, this is what her hair looks like, period, so far. Her curls look juicy. Her parts are pretty much straight. And yeah, I'm loving the process, y'all. Alright, so now we're moving along to the hairline, to, the sides. This is what I was telling y'all was thinner at. So I think I'm going to go through and combine some of them. I think that might help with the locking process. But yeah, so just trust the process. As I told y'all before, I only apply the product section by section instead of row by row. So let's just get into it. Alright, y'all, so this is the first half of her hair complete. I don't think I'm gonna record the second half. I'm gonna just pull y'all back up once it's finished. But yeah, that's basically the same thing we're gonna be doing on the left side, we're gonna do to the right side. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, we will see y'all in the next one.